Good morning, everyone. Spend the day with me as I run errands and do a grocery run. Don't mind me, I'm just doing a happy dance because I made my coffee and it slaps this morning, and good coffee is always a reason to dance. Starting off the day strong with the Cafe Bustelo, like always, and making my 4-shot iced espresso because I'm like a zombie if I don't have my coffee in the morning. It's always sugar-free though. The hubby requested that I get him some truck snacks, so we're probably going to go to the store and pick some out for him. And I'm also going to make him cowboy soup when he gets home. He's been asking for it, so I want to make him happy. We also have a puppy pickup this morning, so I will be meeting someone to drop their puppy off for them. Y'all, this fawn puppy is so cute. I wanted to keep him so bad, but my husband said no. So we're actually going to deliver a Cane Corso puppy to a buyer. We breed Cane Corsos as a part-time deal. We just like it. It's a hobby. So this guy's going to his new home today. So come along with me for that. So that guy actually bought a puppy for his wife for Christmas. It's a surprise, so that's awesome. So the hubby got a cheese load from Utah back to Springfield. So probably gonna see him either tomorrow night or Friday. Let's go to Aldi's. I need to get some stuff for cowboy soup and cornbread. My husband requested that for when he's home, and then I need to get some truck snacks for him. It's freezing cold here in Missouri today. It's 34 degrees, so taking a newborn and a 2-year-old into Aldi's is gonna be fun. Hopefully I can get a shopping cart like really close to my car because I don't like having to tote them both across the parking lot.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no.
So this is what our typical setup looks like. Not much room for groceries. Good thing we're not getting much today. And someone left us their cart, so that was nice. I really like the selection that Aldi's has. International cheeses and everything. So I'm just picking out a few things that I know my husband likes. And he's been obsessed with pickles lately, so we had to get him pickles too. Mission accomplished. All the truckin' families know that Flying J Pizza is where it's at. I was hungry, so I had to stop and get me a piece. Fresh pepperoni pizza. I really want to try the barbecue chicken pizza. My husband said it's really good, but I haven't tried it yet. Yummy. It's the best pizza on the interstate.